this part of the lesson, we are going to continue to learn all about the number 8. We are learning all about the number 8. Let's see how the number 8 can be shown in lots of different ways. Look over at the hands. How many fingers are they holding up? 8. This is the number 8 written in a word. 8. Say it with me. 8. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number 8 in our Numicon. And over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 again. How many fingers are being shown here? You guessed it, 8. Can you show 8 a different way on your hands? Turn to the person beside you and show them a different way of making 8 using your fingers. Number words. Let me see. Do you know what this word says? Well done, you got it. 8. And 8 is a tricky word. It has lots of tricky sounds in it. Look at it closely. 8. This is the number shape for 8. This is the number shape using Numicon. Some of us use Numicon in school. It has 8 holes or circles. Sometimes it can be shown in a dotted pattern. This is the number 8 using dots. Now let's look at number lines. Can you spot the number 8 on the number line? Did you find it? Well done, it's up here. What number comes before 8? 7, well done. And what number comes after 8? The number 9, well done. What is the first number? Let's see who remembers some of our ordinal numbers from last week. What is the first number we see here on our number line? Over here, it's 0 is our first number. What is our last number? The number 10. We can't quite see it fully there, but the number 10 is here. How about this number line? This time the number line is going up. Can you spot the number 8 here? Is it in the same place? Did you spot it? It's here. It's after 7 and before 9. There it is. Okay, let's try this together. Molly needs 8 bricks to build a model. Can you help her? Click on 8 bricks to move them to Molly's mat. Now we can't click on these because we are looking at a video. So what I would like you to do is use your finger and count out 8 bricks. If you need to pause to do it, do that now. Now, let's count together. I would choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 bricks. Josh needs to find the jar of sweets with 8 sweets. Can you help him? Pause now if you need to count very, very carefully. Let's see which one it is. Straight away, I know it's not this one. I can see there are too few in this one. There are only 1, 2, 3. Straight away, I can rule that one out. Let's look at these two. Which one could it be? Point now. Now, let's look at numbers as labels. Have you noticed how numbers can be used for labels too? For example, the odd number on a bus or the number on a door. What number is on your front door? You can pause this video and go and check now. Have you ever seen a house with a number 8 on the door? Maybe if you're going on a walk today or tomorrow, you could go and find all number 8s and see if you can find a house with an 8 on the door. There are numbers everywhere. Have you ever looked for numbers in your classroom or on your walk to school? They are everywhere. We can't spot it in our classroom, but you can see, can you find the number 8 in your house? If you find one, you can take a picture and send it in to me if you like. So, this was a short mini lesson all about the number 8. Well done.